Hello everyone, welcome to MyOnlineEdu.com's video tutorial. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to install Ubuntu 20.04 LTS version in Oracle VirtualBox as a virtual machine. So I have a Windows 10 OS installed, and I'm going to install Ubuntu 20.04 LTS version in my Oracle VirtualBox as a virtual machine. So first thing that you need to do is go to Ubuntu.com, and there you go to download. So here you will have the latest 20.04 LTS version for the Ubuntu desktop. So click on that. So it will prompt you for downloading the ISO file, the image file. So I'm not going to download it because I already have downloaded it. So here is the ISO file that I have. Okay, so now let's begin with starting with how to start with the installation. So I'm into the Oracle VirtualBox. Now you click new. So ignore this one because I already have Ubuntu 18.04 installed, but right now I'm going to install 20.04. Okay, so I'll be naming is Ubuntu 20.04 64-bit. Okay, and then the machine folder where this actually this operating system will be installed. So this is the folder. Here it will install this particular thing over here. Okay, and then it's a Linux, so automatically the type is Linux and version is Ubuntu 64-bit. So automatically is taken by this name. If it is not automatically taken, you can put it like that. So now I'll click next. Now it's asking me to determine the memory size, so I'll increase it to 4096. Okay, so 4 MB RAM is needed for this one. 3 MB will be slower, but 4 MB is okay. Now clicking next. Yes, so I'll keep it by default. Create a virtual hard disk now. Create. Yes, VDI is fine. Dynamically allocated. Now for this one, I'll keep it as a 40 GB. Now create. So now don't start this thing yet. So because we need to do some changes. So go to the settings over here. Okay, and then in the general tab, go to advanced and shared clipboard, make it bidirectional. Also drag and drop, make it bidirectional. That's fine. So now go to system here. So 4 GB of RAM is selected, is 4096 MB. Now go to processor. I am going to allocate actually 3 processors to make it faster. Okay, you can make it 2 based on your processor, or make it more if you have more processor core actually. Okay, so display is fine. Now go to storage. Okay, so here in the storage you'll see that there is an empty drive over here. Okay, so what you need to do is click on this icon and then choose virtual drive. So here go to that downloaded ISO file for 20.04. okay, so it's already been downloaded. It's around 2.5 GB size. So and then click open, and now you don't have to do anywhere else, go anywhere else. Shared folder, you can keep it like that. Now click OK. So once this is done, now I'll start it. The booting of this particular ISO file will start. So it's checking the disks. That's okay. So now the installation is actually starting. You can select the language. English is my language. You can select based on your local language and then install Ubuntu. And again, you need to choose your keyboard layout, and you can type just to test that your keyboard is detected. Click continue. So I'll go for normal installation and also download updates while installing Ubuntu. That's fine. So minimal installation is for those who are actually going to use the Ubuntu for learning purpose. I can go for minimal installation, but I'll keep the normal installation. It will have little extra features, which is good to have. Click continue. Yeah, so here I'll just select the erase disk and install Ubuntu. So don't worry, it's not going to erase your disk. It's only going to erase the directory over here where the Ubuntu is going to installed, which is basically your this folder directory. So click install now. So I'll click continue here. Now it will ask you to enter the time zone. So I am in Kolkata in India. So that's been selected automatically. So click continue. Now it's important that your name. So it's basically the name of your. It's asking for the name of your computer and then the username. Okay. So your name, you can give any name. Okay. So your computer's name is this. So I'll just give VM just to shortcut. And username is this. I'll keep it like that. You can put any name and then password and then continue. Now the installation has started and it will take it can take up to 15 to 30 minutes of time based on your system configuration, system resource, hardware, memory and CPU. So let's wait for some time and let's see how much time does it take. Okay, so it took around 12 to 15 minutes in my machine. So now it shows that installation is complete. So I need to restart. So click on the restart now button. So the Ubuntu operating system is restarting. So it says that please remove the installation medium and then press enter. So what I am going to do here is I am going to close this window, okay, and then power off this machine. Okay, so click OK. Okay, so now here again click on the settings and then click on the storage, click on this one. So this part you see here, this has been removed, right? The ISO file is removed. Now click OK. Now click start again. So I'm starting the 20.04. So Ubuntu is booting up now. So now it's asking for my username and password. So you remember that AK is my username. Now I'll enter the password. So this password is the one that I entered during the installation process. So I'll skip now. Okay, so I'll click next. So this one I'll choose, okay, and then click next. I'll click next. So I am done, okay, with the Ubuntu installation. So now the system software updater is coming. So I'll go to the settings. I'll keep it here as a neighbor right now for time being, and then I'll click close. Okay, but one problem that you see here is that this window is coming in a very shorter window, right? It's not a full screen. So to mitigate that issue, so you need to go here, you need to go to devices and insert the guest additional image CD. Okay, click over here and then click run. Now you see that my window is now automatically readjusted based on my screen. Okay, so now you press any key to close this window. So now you can see that this Ubuntu OS is full screen on my machine, right? And then you click over here in the show application, okay, and then here you can go for terminal and then just type any Linux command and you see the Ubuntu is working now in your machine. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel, and please share this with your friends. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.